A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and I could get straight into this. Alright, so I have a story to share with you from over my TikTok page. Alright, I never get a chance to record it solo, but I want to share the story. Alright, I want to ask the question here while I share this. Well, Jamaican woman are the most heartless woman, or I don't want to put the stigma upon Jamaican woman. See, like a woman then would have said Jamaican man, daring. But me have to ask the question here. It's like, me know a Jamaican woman good or no. I've been with a few, but me don't know a friend person who got foreign and them you go through anything, then the business wouldn't hurt to get them stay or them papers. Forget to do what they want to do. Let me know in the comment section. I could listen to the story from my TikTok live. Like and share, guys, and comment. Alright? So me and him up on the phone and great dad. So I try, but I want to understand what he must say. So I could listen.
Well, I go mix up, boss.
Well, I got a for morning.
I'm there, no general. I go on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I listen to your conversation and I tell us, boy, anybody in this country will have a story, brother. Them not there.
I really talk, man. I really talk.
Yeah, man, anybody will have a story in America, no in America, my brother. But my story was kind of different. My story was like, I don't know if you ever hear of situation where people talk people into accuse you and make you seems like an abuser to get what them want. You ever hear of that one?
Yeah, we hear that story there too.
Well, that was mine.
Oh.
When me meet a woman who come and a ball in all kind of problem and this and that and that and sorry for woman move her in my place. And then she start tell me, say, boy, she come and overstay her time and she have her kids, them in Jamaica, and I love to travel and blah, blah, and rare. Anyway, fast forward, end up married to a woman, take out all papers and put in loan, take out loan and put in papers. And next thing me know, me end up a court to answer to all kind of charges, brother. Yeah, man, so you see, this abuse thing is a good thing and it's a bad thing, in my opinion. Because today, day, me can tell us if me never have a passport in America, I wouldn't in today.
Yeah.
And I wonder to myself, my brother, I'm going to say this publicly. I wonder to myself if when you hurt a person like that, send me the day upon green card. And your plan go through and it happens that me get deported and die yard. You wouldn't consider Jamaica as one of your destination again?
No.
Okay. So you see the craziness, my brother?
We live and we learn.
Because one of the things what me learn, and me don't want to share this with everybody, you see. A lot of people come here and they meet you and then you and them married. And them not really interested in you. Then just meet you as a stepping stone to give them what them want, to move on to the heights where them want to move on to.
Say them make you know them agenda, you're not going to open up to it. You're not going to be foolish enough, say, oh, nah, you want to pay for that.
Yeah, but on the other side then, the person what them interested in, why them not seek help from that person?
Good question.
Because my brother,
So Christopher, for instance, you have a girl want help and she a 31, and you are. Voila.
not here.
Voila, that's something I get to.
Yeah.
Let me upgrade that. Come here, your son. Yeah. Alright, so you're
Yeah.
63, you meet a man at 34. She in one position, she want help. Then, you say, you're going to help a good lady and she have her kids, them and she want the help. You know, your head, I know. You have to think for a moment and say, no matter what she says, she love you and you show and be with you. You have to look at her and say, well, then if me at 63 and she at 34, I one day she willing to spend the rest of her life with me. I wonder if she not go and go party and meet younger guys in a fair age where she feel compatible with and what. One day if me fi really go through with this. And you say, you know what, she show signs of whatever. You go through it now. Remember no? You sit down and you think about
Yeah,
it. Cause you see in life, reality are reality, and but sometimes we don't want to accept reality. We always say,
reality. True.
we could just take a chance. Yeah. When we take a chance now, this happened to you, and then reality lick us, and we say, rotted. Then you have an idea now. When you start show somebody situation, you say, then you believe somebody was 34 with a circle with you for this long, like, then just the one, the little help. Move
Hmm.
on to find a young boy where they can go clubbing and drive around with an vehicle with and them. So that's an example. You don't have to be that. I just use this as a little why. You understand? But you
Yes, yes. Yes.
no, you go come and you go ball. Oh, Jamaica do man wicked because she do me this and way. But in reality, the signs were there
Hmm.
on your part. Remember, she come to you with a story and you accept it or not.
Right.
Yeah, so you have a chance to turn it down or no, say, yeah, in a long run, this will happen. Because people now going to be honest and tell
All
you.
right. So, all right. So, all right. So, me I go give you some of my life stories why me and this girl start a problem. What me say why would me start argue with she? Me move in at my house, me live by myself all these times. Me in a good work, I make money. Me not need help. But you come and you move in with me, you work, you get a little hustling and your hustle, me put in your papers for you. Me should not have to tell a woman, say, here what me, you start hustling and make a money. No, you have to go choose certain bills in the house where you have to help with. 'Cause that's what wife or husband do. Me wrong or right?
You're right.
Right.
So me said to her, say, here what the light bill and the cable, you can do something. Every week, you have me a carry you go, a Jamaica National, go send off money for this a person, send off money for that, what left you put in a bank. Me say, no,
Yeah.
you can't go so. You have to help with something in the house. You know, the woman look at me and tell me, say, I saw, she here say, una Yankee, married to people for them come and come pay bills for you. No, yeah, call me a Yankee, I disrespect me, this for one, me a Jamaican.
Okay.
Ooh, what kind of story that? Me married to you for you come pay bills for me. Then I would have pay my bills before me meet you.
Now, I'm going to ask you one very important question. And you
Uh-huh.
be honest with me, yeah? All
No,
right.
me understand
All
100%.
right.
Why
So,
don't
well,
you? Mhm.
before you and I get married, you should come live with you.
Yes, yes, because
How long she
what
live with you before you married? Something I get
it,
to.
it wasn't a long time.
So maybe a 1 month, 2 month.
Maybe a 2 month. I'm going to tell you
All right,
why.
hold on. Let me get to
She
my
didn't live
question.
at a
Hold on, let me
place where
get to
she
my
claims
question. Hold on, let me get to my question then. All right, so bear in mind now, she lived there for 2 months. When she did live there in 2 months, you put the argument to her so she could contribute to bills.
she wasn't working at the time.
She wasn't working at the time. Okay, so
No.
when I married her now, and she get her papers and she start.
Yeah, she get that. No, man, no, she get a little hustling. She never get through with her papers yet.
Oh, come on,
Because me,
sometimes
I'll
we
get to
start a
that soon.
when I get to sometimes we start a relationship with a pattern, I know. And when we in it
Yeah.
fully, we try to change it and it's too late.
Child change.
And we don't look the
Yeah.
person in the bad way already. So that's why I said that here.
Right.
But go
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Okay, go on.
So, and the reason why she didn't end up with me, no, is because she didn't work and which part she did, them a put her out on the street. And she said she'll get a place for rent, but she not no money to pay the rent. And the people, them a tell her, the youth, them a tell her, say she will still move. And me I say, but that can't sound right because if they know, say, you don't have a job and you can't pay the rent, if they want you to still move, that never did look right because she a reason with me. You get what me I say? So, which me there, me alone did it and all of that. And me I say, all right, then here what? Since me and you start reason from a certain level, I say you can come to my place and make yourself comfortable and the dance she come there. So that's how she end up coming. You understand? So when me did I think within myself, if I wasn't the person where you did interested in a really and truly, you could at least come there. You could have played the game and played it in the right way. No, you get a little hustling and you start hustling me look at you and say, hey, deal with the light and the internet now. That was less than $200 for the month, you know, my brother. 'Cause my light bill, I went about $70 at the time. Even though I Florida, I live. But when, it's not a lot of person live at the house, so your light bill now very expensive. You understand? My light bill in the summer might run up to $80 the most or $100. So the whole entire bill when I talked to her about wasn't even $200.
Oh, but she have it in her head, say you're grind her, bro. So you have to, you have to understand the mentality, you know. Once you're grind her, she'll just go
Uh-huh.
and work with you and you pay the bills them and she send her money come to Jamaica to save. And go and live off of you. Because she don't want
Oh.
to look to deal with it. That's her mindset. She just,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
it was a convenient relationship.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for help her out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what me I say, convenient is okay,
But telephone
But
get go.
it's no play the game then, no, man, the right way. Because you want no. Why me I say play the game the right way? You live with that person, then, my brother. Mm. The person pull for them wait for you. You know you're not interested in the person, and they say, "Boy, you what? You're hustling, so pay that bill, worth $200 or $100." It wasn't about the money as me I said here, and it was just the principle because me I deliver furniture, so me I make money. Me I get tip, me I get my pay, and me I make money, and we I move people per weekend. So money wasn't the problem. It was just looking at the principle of it. You understand?
Right.
And I guess she did have a problem. So till we are arguing back and forth about it, and till she start get disrespectful. So when she start get disrespectful now, me I say, you want me, you have to go take the road. And him not decide to take the road, and me I say, yo, one thing with me can get on their skin easy. Me I come in every day and me I ask you why you still there. Because I get to my place. You get what me I say to you, my brother?
Yeah.
And by me coming in and I say, when I came in just finally make up in mind. And one day me and him did argue, and the woman asked me and my brother in my house. Me in a Florida with a loaded gun in my storeroom where she don't know about. So this is one next thing when me would have want for one whole heap of Jamaican about. When you meet woman and then come in your space, don't make them know say you have firearm. Because if that woman will know say me have a gun, would under prison to them. Wouldn't dare start talk to them.
Should I tell
When she
us?
come back at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I tell you why. Me I tell you
Should
why.
I
Me I
tell
tell
the
you why now.
authorities?
Me I tell you why no. Me I tell you why me say that no. And you ever hear the story? Because as what the brother had said before, a lot of people have story where them that love to talk, where people not aware of. All right. The woman box me with the intention said me did not go lick her.
Oh, she box you. You see me, I tell it in the next man said, don't retaliate. Don't
Let me
retaliate.
listen here now, man. Remember, brother, why you think me join it? And when me hear you said to the brother, I said, don't retaliate no. Me
Oh.
I listen up. Me drive. See, truck me drive.
Mm-hmm.
So me listen to programs from this media daytime. And if it don't make sense, me not join it. Once you see me
Yeah.
join it, it sound like it makes sense,
Makes
right?
sense. Yeah.
Me drive 11 hours a day. Me not have nothing else to do. And my brother, yes, when the woman box me end up in our church at Miramar. What you don't know Florida, so
No,
you would
no,
know
no,
what me
that's
I
right.
talk about. Me
Yeah.
drive out and end up at one church. You know when me realize that me that the church, the way me did mad the day. And
Yeah.
when the pastor asks who invite me, 'cause normally when the pastor them see a new face in the church, they want to know who invite a new face there. And, you know,
Exactly. Yeah, yeah,
when the
yeah.
man asks me, I say, right, but I want church, me there. I say, yo,
Mm,
yeah, me did, I said, no, just passing by and stuff and whatever. Me stay at church until the church over and me leave the church.
yeah.
And, me kind of cool down, everything kind of cool down, everything gone back to normal and whatever. And me still insist that me want her to move based off a thing what she said to me. And the
Mm-hmm.
woman go back and look at me again, man, and tell me, say, for she pay my bill, she not go able to buy whatever for put on there. Them the disrespectful thing the woman I tell me.
Come on, guys, like the video for me and share it. I'm going to listen to this. All right? Man wicked, woman wicked. I just a man attack now. So I'm going to listen when went through and comment. I'm going to continue to listen. This is from TikTok Live. All right? Follow me over there morning time. I'm going to listen.
The woman I tell me no, I say, yo, all our sister and them I ask her where she find this a mama man from. Me I say, really? Because me I tell her, see, you have to contribute to bills in the house. Right? Me and she finally back and forth. Me's not a man who go hang out with people like that. So me
Yeah.
we buy a 6 pack of Guinness for a weekend time come in. Me love my place comfortable, furniture work me, So my place nice. Me in my chair, me love relax and watch my movie a weekend time because I don't like the streets. But things like my street, I just leave street. See?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say the woman in my house have video the back of them when me a throw in a garbage and I make case against me and me don't know my brother.
Mm.
Me know all of these things now. When she finally move out, after all of the disrespect, here where I go wrong. Me never see it wrong. Up till today, me never say it wrong, but here where me go wrong. When she move out, I finally cancel in paperwork.
Yeah.
Me write USCIS a letter and say, hey, me I cancel the petition here now because the woman is married to me for immigration benefits.
Only.
Then,
Only.
yeah,
Only.
yeah, yeah. Then call me and they say, hey, say, Mr. So-and-so, if we cancel this, you're going to lose the money. I said, I don't care. That time I filed for the woman and one of the woman fit there Jamaica and my dad. I
Yeah.
said, I don't care. I don't care. Just cancel it. What do you want to add when he move on? He might watch everything from computer till one idea and get up and realize, say, cancel. What you thinking, though? Head for the police station, then me the pan charge, say me rape her.
How would it
Me,
blow? Yes.
me kick her downstairs and she lose baby. Me alcoholic. Me burn her with close iron. 11 charge me that court pan, my brother.
Mm-mm.
Now forget a liar say, hey, Mr. So-and-so, my fee at $3,000 and I don't take deposits. So you know, say them want the money them one time. Me and girl in a court now. The judge said to her, say, oh, so he was been abusive to you. Yeah, and in that court a ball, I water run down face, So the judge said, okay, so where you guys live? Into a condo or a standard, a standalone house by itself? We live in our townhouse, so we have neighbors everywhere. So the judge just said, so can we get one of the neighbors to come and you guys fighting all the time? He said, no. Yeah, so me I tell her, so me end up a court, me and she. After she move out, after a month of she moving out, she go report me. Me have 11 charges against me. Me just come home one day and find a card. Oh, and police I said me for get in touch with him. So this was a Friday. Me start call the police from the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And the Monday me get the police and the police said to me, say, me need to come at the station because they have an injunction against me. So me go down at the station now and when me reach at the station, the policeman a tell me the charges them and him a ask me if me have a firearm. And me I say, yeah. And him say, all right, you need paternity into your city police. Anyway, I go ahead and me do that. And we end up go court. So when we go court now, she come in, I cry and I go on and I put on a show and I go on and so the judge after now say if we live into a condo or a single family house. So we say we live in a townhouse, which kind of considered as a condo. So the policeman says, so is there any neighbor that can come and speak on your behalf that he was being abusive with you or whatever? She said, no. Which kind of impossible because if me abusive to a person, to all the house them in America separated with sheetrock, it would be impossible for your neighbor to hear me or you fight or whatever, You hear me still, right?
Yeah, man, right here. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so my lawyer now, when she say, me burn her with clothes iron, which a burn, she get to work, she a work in a one restaurant and pot burn her, she a tell the courts and me burn her with clothes iron. So the lawyer now, me don't know if it's a fast one or a what, but the lawyer said to her, say, so we have ways to know if a clothes iron burn you or is a pot. So she dropped back the argument quick. She no bother want to talk about that again. So the judge said to her, say, him kick you downstairs and you lose a child. Where is the medical information? Cause you have to go one doctor, urgent care or something. She not have that neither. So anyway, the way she have behaved and go on in the court and I said, boy, she did pray to go make a report and the judge has said then, oh, you make a report now if you did pray then she ain't go on and go on. And you know, so they put a restraining order against me. We will never go away unless she go remove it.
Yeah.
Then when we come out of the court now, she out the door and fight the girl where represent her because you know say in a abuse them put you on to lawyer from the state and all of that, right? Like somebody for represent. I don't know if it's lawyer them or a just representative, I don't know. So my brother, believe me, I one of the worst things somebody could have ever tried to me in our life. Because it's when it come to my record, I know something what me take lightly. And me sit down and me say, throughout my life, growing up in Jamaica, where you could have beat a woman, lick down a woman, and policeman don't even look for you. Me ever come in a Uncle Sam country. Come act stupid.
Oh. So what go on now? What final? What position with her now? What happened now? She.
Yeah, it been many years now. But it's just that until today, they have a restraining order against me. So every time he left this country and come back, me have to end up in a secondary check room with immigration.
Mm. So she get her. Oh, she get her stay, or she did end up.
I don't know because for all those years, I don't even reach out to her.
Okay.
You understand me?
Wow. People can wicked someone. People just build up them
The
case and.
only thing I used to tell myself, my brother, I'm not afraid to talk on the internet where me know millions of people depend. If me did end up in a prison for something what me know me never do, should I regret it until the day them put her on the ground?
Wow.
Because you couldn't hurt me so much family living in the country when me born and grow up. So sometimes young I say to people, pick sense of that what me I say. Me I say to people, don't hurt a person we don't hurt you, my brother.
And the thing is now, you see, choose a woman country. She would have tried that at Jamaica now.
Exactly, my brother.
She would have tried that at Jamaica. And that is why man say when
Exactly,
the
my
woman come
brother.
over there, they learn the system and know if you manipulate it and try bring it down to the lowest point. You see me?
My brother, let me tell you something, man. I'm afraid of people. Me all end up sell all my place coming and want nobody back around me, my dad. Nobody me no want around me. No. Yeah, man. Because me I tell her, madam, one thing with me, when me did feel sorry for her when me meet her in the first place, the thing that I was thinking about is remember growing up with my mother. And remember my mother was in a abusive situation, relationship growing up all of my life. Me, one man, would have never put my hand on a woman in a wrong way. Whether me that Jamaica or me in America or me in Africa or me in wherever around the world. Before me and a woman have to reach to a stage where me have to put my hand on a woman because she go and I mean that. Nah, do it. You get what I said? Me not believe in it, my brother. Don't believe in putting my hand on a woman. And the woman even try to carry me back a court say me divorce her illegally. Then when she realized that me did have a gun, she try to carry me back a court say me have gun and me never turn it in. The liar said, what else do you want? That was the first thing he did when him go at the station. So my brother, let me tell you something, man. But that happened to me from a person where come from my country, make me look on our people as you don't know who to trust.
When them people are come and find, brother, it's like it's a demon turn up in a them forget status.
Yeah, man.
Then go through
Anything
extreme
forget a paper.
who they want
And
earth.
me done at the end of the day when me a try to say, mix up boss, is if she had just comply with what me I said to her, when me sit down and look into it, if you move out from around me and you live somewhere else, you're going to have to pay rent, you're going to have to pay some. And I'm just saying, contribute to your contribution, right? Here there, be nice, be cool, you get where you want. You can find reason for move if you want. Me can't tell you say you can't go. I know because you get you stay through me or you get papers through me means that me own you. No.
Yes,
You
what
can't
is
just get up tomorrow morning and say, hey, you what, no, this not gonna work out, so I'm gonna move on,
That's
But
it.
don't try. Don't try to bring me under the ground, my brother.
That's it.
Look people who are going in this country to the day. For the simplest little crime, you can out of this country. As you say, traffic violation, any simple thing, them want to get rid of you out of America. You understand?
Why?
Yeah, man. So,
And instead our sister them tell her she do foolishness, then say her mama man. The part that's stuck in her
yeah,
head. Just
yeah, yeah, yeah.
her mama
Yeah.
man. I get a mentality
Oh,
that man.
oh, disrespectful that could have get my brother. Oh, disrespectful that could have get.
So a woman if you just come live in a man house and him pay contribute to all of the bills. And if you talk to your mama man.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, my
Brother,
boss.
but that's something, man.
Big up yourself, and thanks for joining,
Yes,
Woman
man,
are
but
outside the building, but then start beat some man now, so. I'm like,
yeah, but me just don't want to highlight that, my brother, for make people know, say, yeah, this abuse thing can be good because some people genuinely go through abuse. Me not go take that for nobody. You get me? People genuinely go through it, but you have some people who use the system at their advantage. Once them get from married to you, them don't need nothing else again. Abuse and then good to go. And it's wrong.
okay, all right. Big up yourself,
Yeah, man. The
all the
wrong thing,
best.
brother.
We talk again,
Yeah,
all right?
man. Bless up yourself. I'm going to give you a follow to so we'll see
Yeah,
when you're
man.
there, boy.
All right,
All
cool.
right, brother.
Yeah,
Bless.
yeah.
Yes, I am. Hey, a reality,
You see it, you hear a woman right, cutie, say, maybe if we heard her side, it's you. Every one thing with the woman, they always a different woman and a girls. When a man come and ball, you have to hear the other side. They say, if a woman come and ball, oh, yeah, man, that's a then man. Oh, my God, I feel so sorry for you. But over the channel, yeah, we bring the good, the bad, and the ugly on
And the
both
ugly.
sides. So
Yeah.
maybe she does something for you here, the one where the man attack.
Make she call, man. Make she call in. I want
Where
she
we
call,
have
she
the
call in.
stories, then where we have the man then the woman then wickeder on my channel than man do woman. So the man them a lead when they come on to wickedness. You get what I say? Using woman and them something there. On MIXUP past YouTube channel. That is a fact. So that's how you go. But she right two sides to a story too, but they don't know. That's how you go.
You can't show love and kindness. No show nothing else. You see me?
So
We need to show love,
girl God send me an inbox.
kindness. You see me?
Just send me an inbox. When you send me, I go request and accept it. I say yesterday one boy I try con. How too much scammer do over TikTok, man. Send more request. Aye, but you know when don't use a white girl picture.
Oh.
When me look on him, I see followers them 200 and odd. And I play reggae music in the background. So I say, hello, who is this? Cause me know no, but me just love play along.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I say, yeah, I say, I've been watching you for a while. You see him interested and handsome. I say, oh, nice of you too. You look beautiful yourself. Say, yeah. Yeah, person. Okay, nice. Where are you now? I say, I'm in Canada. He say, word, I'm in Canada too. So I say, yeah. So by the time I say which part of Canada, then say which part. So I say, me in Ottawa. So I say, so me I watch them and come I ask them where then they hear them. Yeah. Wow, you're close to me. I'm in Ottawa too. I'm in South Ottawa. So I say, where is the address? What's the name of the place? Then take a while for answer. Cause them no come find the here, Can we talk somewhere more private? So I say, where? I have a link where we can talk private and where and all. But I say, okay.
Link?
So wait for me, man. I'm coming here. And then I text and say, if you go look what man on top take down people picture about, I try scam people. What more private than in our inbox where we are chat?
Yeah.
Where we are going to left and go where? Go chat
I'll
about
go
what?
where?
Yeah? I think they want you click on a link and then get your information and
You
come
have
up
all
with
access to your phone.
access to
Yeah.
phone. Like me, I look like me I eat that. Me not come on pan for look nobody. So nobody not come when I inbox about them how me and them something them. Me not depend for that.
Don't try get too personal with me. What you do?
Yeah, it's
Me don't want
like
nobody.
some law. Me say them people come out them living on some rock, but that's how you go still. The BS came over your brother. So if you became me, say them have a style. Well, I'm gonna put it out. I mean, this is a public announcement. If no one anybody want to say on a friend list want to have, contact on and say, hey, I lose my account. Can I have your number so it can verify by whatever by TikTok or what? Do not send them a number. Please do not send them a number. It's a scam. So when you say like great that by the time you look, then duplicate your profile. So them have profile where they have all say you have 2,000 followers. Then just go on your page, take down your video, then put them up, put up if you display and me look. Me go say great dad. And me go say, oh great dad, I'm a friend. And you
Yeah.
send me number and then so do not do it.
Okay.
It's scam, yeah. But send me a number so I can verify if you get back my account. Do not do it. Alright? Oh, somebody
Okay.
said I did a video about it. Oh, sexism. Yes, I did a video about alright. It's underline me I tell. Big up yourself, sexism. Yeah, she said she do a video about it. Yeah, man, so be careful. Me I put you out there. Because two of my friend them say send number. And two me know them, me send the number, but me know a chick. Them I send you some link on your phone and something. But me see link
Oh,
on
for
it, so
you
me aware. Yeah, man, me
click
aware.
link and then you put in code or send them
At
code.
something, yeah, and then send us some email about this or that, and you look, you get some anonymous text where you don't even know.
No, well,
You
yeah.
say a postal service text, please verify that it's you to Ray. By the time you click
Yeah.
on it, then take with your phone and your profile and thief your profile. You
You
know?
know, sir, so me get a text every day. All right, me get couple texts every day. One, recruiting place who we can apply for job online. The next one are from DMV. Oh, you have outstanding ticket. And the same mail package one from UPS PS.
I get that.
Me get a whole heap of them. Me I say, yo, the scammer them at work, just like a normal person who get up and got them 9 to 5.
I have a
You
friend in
understand?
America, and she said to her phone that any call from Jamaica come in, gets to come up on the screen.
The answer.
Scammer.
Scam likely.
Yeah.
All right. The way I set my phone, you see, if your number not in my phone, I'm never text you or call you yet, it'll go straight to voicemail. If I not have your number in my phone, I'm never text you or call you, straight to voicemail. Miss call. If my sister me get like all 3 missed call, me will call back the number. You understand? And if it important that you want to reach me, you send me a text or leave a voice message, right? If it's important.
That is it. Me see a realtor dey on your bar, so them put up house for sale. And by the time they look, other man put up a house with contact number for viewing. And you have to take the in company and in bar. He say, people do not follow this. All TVJ them a put up too. So them a TVJ and one bag of something what they made TVJ put an announcement say it's not for them page. See man, them a run TikTok, hot brother with this scamming.
And them something here, no make you afraid. I'm afraid, you know. I'm afraid. I'm afraid because people are target you.
Can you imagine right now if you have something and put it for sale, you have a fridge, furniture, one house to sell. When you look it up on one next page, with a picture of them everything.
MIXUP boss.
And call the number.
But you know,
and
some
viewing
used
time.
to see
So
people.
one of my friend was there, she not get scam, she almost get scam man. She see some pretty furniture on TikTok. And she said, Bomba, she look better and something for her place. And she said she'll go check them out and and the guys say, alright, them are gonna come and then we send some money for hold and panic because some other customer want it. So she said, alright, when she then here, she drop off the money and give me. She said she follow the address where they give him, and when they reach, them I call him and know they not answer. And somebody gate then there. And he's no store. And she left all the way and sent me a brother to come to Kingston. And she left and just go and popular singer. Get her or something there. I said, John, I said, you look, he said, their name, you come in one corner and they rob you.
Kill you.
Too good. When it's too good to be true, furniture for yourself for them the money there.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. You have to check me out on TikTok. Alright, I come on every morning. When I have time, I come freestyle, run back some of my story that I have over here. That's it. Anyway, I'm out.